I've headed to Gatwick Vapour Blasting. We're going to go and see Sim, and yeah, we've vapour blasted the plenum and the rocker covers, so it's time to see what they look like. All right, so this is Sim. This is your business, right? So what is it? Gatwick Vapour Blasting.
That's it, yeah.
So you're saying that you've been going 6 months or so?
6 months,
yeah. So this is the machine that you have used to do my stuff.
Yeah.
So essentially, what is it? It's kind of like.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
This is a steel job that we've done.
Yeah.
But essentially, it's glass bead. Hang on.
Okay. Yeah.
Get some out.
Yeah.
So that's essentially what it is.
Okay.
Very, very fine glass bead.
So that's what you're blasting.
Yeah, so that's what's doing the abrasive work.
Wow.
So it sits in the bottom of the tank. You've got about 25 kilos in there.
Okay, so it sucks up through here, does it?
So you've got a sump in here.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And it's filled up, the rest of it's filled up with water.
Right.
So that then gets mixed up and fed up into a gun. And then basically, it's like a sandblasting cabbie.
Yeah, sure.
Put your arms in, take the piece, and then if you want to, let's try and film a bit.
Yeah.
And it basically does this.
They got a little window wiper as well.
Yeah. So if you, that's basically what you're doing with it.
Blimey.
So it's a great technology.
Yeah.
It's really effective. It's particularly effective on aluminium. So if I show you some
which is my bit. So here we go, guys. Like, you guys would have seen what this looked like when I dropped it off and when we kind of had it in the car when I originally bought it. So you can see it's night and day. I mean, this looks brand new.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
It's come up so well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm sure we'll be seeing more of you on here anyway. But yeah, so there you go, Gatwick Vapour Blasting. And yeah, this mad machine here.
Mad, isn't it?
What do you reckon?
It's crazy.
That's mad, isn't it? Do you know that looks new? Shiny.
Shiny?
What do you reckon?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Like